Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it will ensure you won't miss any future videos. First thing we have to do before we clean a crappie is go out and catch a few. What you got there, Cindy?
Crappie. Now do one. Sometimes they'll fool you.
Yeah. Fun to catch.
Fun to catch.
That ought to make enough for a meal.
That's a nice way to round it out.
In today's video, I would like to show you how I fillet a crappie with an electric fillet knife. It's a fast, efficient method with very little meat going to waste. I prefer an electric fillet knife because not only is it faster to clean a mess of fish, but you also end up with cleaner fillets. I like to use this narrow blade on panfish as it makes turns easier on the small fillets. Bluegills and other panfish can all be done the same way. We had a good morning of fishing. Probably have enough fish here for a couple of meals for my wife and I. When I start the filleting process with an angled cut, so we get most of the meat in the head here. So straight down until you hit the spine. Then we make the quick turn and follow the spine all the way down. I flip the meat over and in almost one fluid motion, take the skin off. We end up with a pretty clean fillet. We just come back and remove the rib bones. I'll repeat this process to the other side. I usually do all my fish with the electric fillet knife and then come back and remove the rib bones all at once. But how I remove the rib bones is taking a regular fillet knife, following the ribs, then making an angled cut usually gives me the belly meat. Removing the ribs, there's very little meat on there. Repeating the process on the other side. And we have a couple pretty nice fillets. I usually put these in a pan of water. Sometimes if I get extra fish, I will put these in the refrigerator with a little salt water, soak them overnight, package them up in the morning. Otherwise, we just soak them for just a little while and they're ready to eat. I'll do a few more fish a little slow. There's a little feel involved following that spine, so you make sure you get all the meat. This one here, I cut through a little prematurely. That's okay. Just use your fingernail, grab a little piece of the skin, and skin it the same way. One thing I like about using an electric fillet knife versus a regular fillet knife, you end up with a cleaner fillet with less blood. Just a nice clean fillet. After a few fish, you get in a rhythm. But just remember to take your time. There's a lot of feel involved with this. Feeling that spine, making sure you keep downward pressure against the spine and against the skin when you skin it. Now I'm going to come back and take the rib bones off the rest of these fillets. And put them in water. Should be absolutely no bones in any of these when they're done, and very little meat wasted. So here is my last fillet. Here are our fillets all done, bone free. We'll rinse it a time or two and it'll be some really good eating. I hope I've taught you something, that you've learned something from this video. Even though it's a simple process, a lot of people do not know how to do it. And if you're one of those, I hope you've learned a little something. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll keep them coming. Thank you.